Recording. Alright, trying something new. You probably recognize this face. Probably see her right now and then. I usually refer to her as only as the girlfriend, but she actually has a name. What's your name?
The girlfriend.
The girlfriend. So, yeah, you guys in the chat, you could just like say hi to the girlfriend. So we just like finished like spending what, 5 hours usually? Feels like it. We got here at 12, right?
Yeah, about 5 hours, like 1 to 5.
Yeah, it's 5:30 right now. But I think for now on, we're probably gonna get like the VIP passes for this thing. Cause yeah, you get like a separate line and I don't know. I mean, you pay a little more, obviously. I think general admission was $35. VIP was like 100.
But that's for 2 days, right? For
Yeah.
the weekend pass.
Yeah, for both days. Cause this is like the second year of doing this convention in Ontario, Creepie Con. Yeah, I liked it. Yeah, the VIP is for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. I don't know. I guess I'll be good for only 1 day, to be honest. I guess the cool thing about this convention, like their main focus was like they got everybody from Terrifier 2. Yeah, exactly. We represented. Actually, like this one guy, he was like, "Oh, put out a head and gave me candy." He didn't give you candy, huh?
No, he didn't give me candy.
No, it was fun. So I think like that was the main focus of this like convention, like just having more like meet and greets. But that was cool. They had like the whole cast of Terrifier. If you guys haven't seen that movie, if you like horror, I suggest it. Definitely.
But they also had a lot of cast members from Scream.
They're always in the conventions around here, I noticed, right?
This is the second time we've seen them. It's not an always thing.
True. The guy
of
from
course, like Bill Moseley was here. He's always
the Rob Zombie
he's somebody
actors.
that's like always at
yeah.
them.
So yeah, I mean like usually these conventions they have some cool stuff and like
This one was smaller in the sense of like usually the big conventions they have like all of the makeup, you know, and special effects artists,
yeah.
and they have like demonstrations, and they'll have people talk about, you know, making of movies. They'll have directors speak, sometimes actors from movies speak.
Yeah, that's the thing about this convention. So like at least for the ones that we've been to in the past, there's always been like a Q&A panel, you know, people talking, you know. Yeah, like Sarah said, like they'll have like displays of like VFX schools, like doing makeup live, answering questions and shit like that. There wasn't none of that here. But still,
They had like
yeah.
one little like haunted maze thing.
Yeah, I mean, I try to share some of that here, but it was just.
I think it was a company called Fear Farm.
Yeah, conventions are fun. I don't know, like when we started dating, we mainly focused on drinking a lot. Then like we said fuck that, so we started doing more cool shit with our time and money. So yeah, we started doing more conventions, and yeah, we've been like, there's a lot throughout the year actually when it comes to horror. It's like I didn't realize how big it is. Like seriously, like just about every other month there's something going on that's related to like the horror community. Like I didn't realize how big it's growing or has been. So it's people love this shit. Yeah, usually like the one in Long Beach, the Midsummer Screen, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that thing is massive. Like there's 2 floors, literally. Like
It's actually 3.
there's 3 actually. Yeah, you're right. And like that one does have shows. They had like a drag show last time and we missed it.
They were
So, some guys from
Full.
like the Boulay Brothers.
from
Yeah,
Dragula.
From Dragula, yeah. So yeah, these conventions are fun. We love it. But anyways, yeah, I just feel like doing it this way. Usually I'll wait till like I'm home and then chill and talk. But I'm just fuck that. I just got out. The memories are fresh. So I figured like do it now so I can like don't have to worry about filming later. And it's over. Now I can just put this together, you know, smash a bunch of like images or whatever I recorded, and there you go. And also get some feedback from this one. Whatever she can remember, what I can't.
Probably more things.
Yeah, probably more things. What's the thing you enjoyed the most?
They had different vendors here that I haven't seen before, because we go to so many of these events. Like we do see a lot of the repeat vendors, which I mean I love, but it is nice to see like different things come out. And we saw a lot of cosplay here, and it was kind of cool because they kind of have their own little community in themselves. So they all like were like congregating up together in like kind of a couple of different areas and like hanging out. So it was kind of fun to see them interact with each other and even taking like photos with each other.
Yeah, something I noticed, like usually the guys that we see like in Knott's Berry Farm, like some of like the monsters, you know, that dressed up during like Knott's Scary Farm, they're like walking around here with their outfits. So the thing I like the most about this convention is that like we've been coming to these things so often that like some people are familiar, so it's starting to become to the point where like, hey, how you doing? I seen you at such and such, and like they'll remember us or something like that, and like so it's starting to become more of an acquaintance thing or whatever.
To build a community.
Yeah, and
networking.
It's kind of something we're trying to aim to do also. Like when I was doing this, I mean, we like coming here, but like we can like, you know, develop some like, you know, friendships on the way. You know, I'm down for that. Anyways,
Reset.
I was gonna do this later, but fuck it. That means I have to do more work later, so might as well do it now. Like, hopefully. I'll put some of his work also as well if you guys want to follow him on Instagram. He actually does some pretty cool shit. Like, we started following him on Instagram, and like his work is actually very unique. Yeah, it's like notebook sketch tattoo art. So I got this shirt, Live Creepy. I don't know, for some reason this shirt was calling my name. I just had to get it. But like yeah, as you can see, this artwork has a lot of line work. So we asked him about like getting tattooed by him eventually. So that's a possibility. What do you got? Our favorite fictional serial killer is fucking Michael Myers. Actually, like the cool at the bottom has like that VHS or ritual shit on the bottom. Pretty cool. And there's the back. 78. And of course the Halloween pumpkin. This is jersey material too, so it's kind of nice.
It was unique. I mean, I have tons of horror themed shirts from coming to all of these conventions. I don't ever leave home or leave a convention without
it's kind of hard
spending at least. Well.
It's kind of hard not to leave without spending some money here because you see a lot of cool shit. But anyways,
and it's stuff you're not gonna see in the store, and
yeah, that's
buying directly too from the actual artists themselves. So you're not having to go through like Etsy and all of that, which I mean that's cool too. But
that's probably the main thing. It's like if you want to get a unique shirt designs and wardrobe, whatever, and makeup or. Yeah, you can get it here and it's like unique, so I don't know, that's kind of like my thing.
Oh, I got makeup too.
Yeah, I want to get like my cool shirt collection. It's all like unique and like different because, you know, I get them mainly from like conventions, not off a rack of some like, you know, Walmart store or some shit. Fuck that. Because I'm cool like that.
Hey, that's okay too.
It's okay, but it's not.
I have my Nightmare on Elm Street 3 shirt.
Yeah, no, I got my Goodfellas
that I like
brand
to sleep
shit,
in.
but
That's Target.
Anyways, fuck it. Anything else, babe? That was fun. I'm just tired.
Fun.
Yeah, these things are fucking tiring. Definitely wear good shoes when you want to walk around convention centers. Fucking A. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed that. You're probably gonna see more of her come up here because she's with me, so I mean we're literally stuck to the ass, so
Stuck to the butt.
say hi to the girlfriend in the comment section. Alright, thanks for hanging out with us for a bit. Take care and peace.